In today's digital age, cybersecurity is no longer just a concern for tech giants or government agencies. It has become an absolute necessity for businesses of all sizes and sectors. From small startups to multinational corporations, every organization that relies on digital systems and data is a potential target for cyber criminals. The consequences of a cybersecurity breach can be devastating, resulting in financial losses, reputational damage, and legal repercussions. The interconnected nature of modern business means that even a seemingly minor security lapse can have far-reaching consequences. A single compromised device within a network can provide attackers with a foothold to access sensitive information, disrupt operations, or even bring down entire systems. The increasing sophistication and frequency of cyber attacks make it more crucial than ever for businesses to prioritize cybersecurity. Ignoring cybersecurity is no longer an option. Businesses that fail to invest in robust security measures are essentially leaving themselves vulnerable to attacks that can cripple their operations and jeopardize their future. The urgency of the situation demands immediate attention and proactive measures to mitigate risks and protect valuable assets. In the following sections, we will delve into the evolving landscape of cyber threats, explore the differences between active and passive cybersecurity measures, and examine the case of Impress IT Solutions as a leading provider of comprehensive cybersecurity solutions. The digital world is in a constant state of flux, and with it, the landscape of cyber threats continues to evolve. Today we face a more organized and sophisticated adversary, often backed by nation-states or well-funded criminal enterprises. Cyber criminals are constantly developing new techniques and exploiting vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. From ransomware attacks to phishing scams, the methods employed are increasingly sophisticated. The rise of IoT has expanded the attack surface, as interconnected devices often lack robust security. The evolving nature of cyber threats requires businesses to adopt a proactive and adaptive approach to security. In cybersecurity, two fundamental approaches exist: active defense and passive protection. Both are essential for a comprehensive security strategy. Passive measures create barriers to prevent attacks. Think of a fortress with high walls and sturdy gates. Firewalls and antivirus software are examples. They filter traffic and block unauthorized access. Active cybersecurity is proactive. It identifies and neutralizes threats before harm occurs, like guards patrolling a fortress ready to respond. Penetration testing and SIEM systems are examples. Effective cybersecurity combines both approaches for comprehensive protection. In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, businesses need a trusted partner to navigate the complexities of cybersecurity and safeguard their digital assets. Impress IT Solutions has emerged as a leader in the field, providing cutting-edge solutions and expert guidance to help organizations of all sizes build robust cybersecurity postures. What sets Impress IT Solutions apart is their holistic approach to cybersecurity. They understand that security is not a one-size-fits-all proposition, and that every organization has unique needs and vulnerabilities. Their team of experienced security professionals works closely with clients to assess their specific risks, develop tailored security strategies, and implement solutions that align with their business objectives. Impress IT Solutions offers a comprehensive suite of cybersecurity services, including risk assessment and vulnerability management, security awareness training, firewall management and intrusion detection prevention, data encryption and access control, and incident response planning and disaster recovery. By partnering with Impress IT Solutions, businesses can benefit from the expertise of seasoned security professionals and gain access to cutting-edge technologies and best practices. Their commitment to staying ahead of the curve ensures that their clients receive the highest level of protection against evolving cyber threats.